Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Whether you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app and use it to source and ship products from China to any part of the world, consider to stay tuned to this video and see what exactly you need to know as far as store rating and product rating is concerned on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, allow the app to load up to the official interface, just like what you see right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and check on any product or store rating from any supplier. And bear in mind, this is one of the important factors you need to put into consideration before you can go ahead and buy any product from supplier or manufacturer on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's continue. So the next thing we want to do here, like for instance, I'm going to use this particular store as an example right here. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up the product link right here. Then after you open up the product link, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to their sales page. Just like so. Now from the sales page right here, then what you need to do right here is to scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. Now you have product detail, store, some product from the store. Then by the time you scroll down right here, this will take you to all graphics detail about that particular product in the sales page, such as image or product video as the case may be. Just like what you see right here, these are product image. The more you scroll down, the more you see product image, size recommended, labeling, etc. as far as this particular sales page is concerned. Now, how to identify the difference between store rating and product rating right here. Product rating is also known as feedback from the previous buyer on 1688 from any store. Like for instance, this particular 500 plus right here is regarded as product rating. So how can you check the product rating? Go ahead and click on here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this particular page right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see product rating right here. However, this is depends on the number of the sales this particular store app made in the previous time before you are checking on their sales rating right here. So you can see, and one important thing you need to take into consideration when you are checking the product rating on 1688 is that you need to pay proper attention to the reviewer ID right here. This is because some of these sellers here, they do buy fake reviewer. But if you take a look at this, you find out that they are not the same with different language as the case may be. You can see it right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see product rating. Some people even go as long as uploading the quality of the product picture. And then another thing to take into consideration here is that always go for 5-star by the previous buyer right here. This will give you a kind of confidence that this particular store here, they will definitely deliver quality product. And you can see everything right here. And if you take a look at this particular person right here, they buy in 2 times consecutively, 1 and 2. So that is a returning customer. So this is one thing you need to know about product rating right here. Now let's take a look at the store rating. So I'm going to click on here to close this tab. Now quickly, before we go to general store rating, there is one thing you need to understand right here. For general store rating are not quite the same with product rating. In some store, you might see all 5-star of about 1,000 plus in their product rating, but their general store rating might give you 3 point something or 4-star rating. This is because there are the particular store in concern is that they have been getting a negative feedback from some of their various products in that particular store, and as a result of that, it's going to derank their 5-star rating. So like for instance, if you want to confirm the general store rating of this particular store here, you can go ahead and click on this icon right here. This will take us to their store name page right here, whereby we'll be able to see details about them, how long they have been on 1688 and the likes. So, and their product detail right here. This is their product line. So if you take a look at this particular store here, you find out that this store here has been on 1688 in the last 2 years, and at the same time their general store rating here is 4 points, which is quite good. The returning customer here is 62%. That is the people that are still coming back to buy from the store. And lastly, the delivery and response rate here is 95%, which is quite good. You can go on and translate some of these things right here. This will give you different meaning based on the language you understand as far as 1688 Chinese is concerned. It's that simple. So this is what I need to tell you about the difference between product rating and general store rating right here. So this is general store rating right here. It comes in a single figure, while product rating come from different buyer talking about their previous experience, about the store, about their products, and the like. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And also, remember to share this video to your loved one, the people that use 1688 Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to put your link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.